Here we have the JSK 37 series turntable, and we're just going to point out some of the main features that go together to lock around the trailer kingpin and make sure that the trailer kingpin's locked into the fifth wheel and it's safe. So we have the wear ring in the top here. Below that we have the lock jaw, which we painted red so that it stands out, and then we've chromed the lock bar, so again, so it stands out, so it's quite visible. That's the fifth wheel's fully locked up there at the moment. The lock jaw's in the closed position, the lock bar's gone across behind to hold it shut. Just to show you those components out of the fifth wheel, here we have our wear ring. That's the one that sits in the top. We have the lock jaw. That's the red device that's located underneath. It swings open and closed. Works on a pivot pin here. And once that lock jaw is closed, our lock bar then goes across behind, and that forms a positive lock. We open the fifth wheel up. You'll see the lock bar gets retracted back out. That's allowed our lock jaw to swing into the open position. Here we have the JSK 37 series turntable, and we're just going to show the operation of the fifth wheel using the Jost Fifth Wheel tester. It's a tool which has a flat plate, it's got a kingpin built into it, and it's got this lever and hook arrangement. So we can pull it in and out of the fifth wheel and show the full operation of the fifth wheel and how the handle operates. At the moment it's in the closed position. The kingpin's gone all the way into the fifth wheel. You'll see that the tester is sitting down hard on top of the fifth wheel top. So the kingpin's down in the right position. We look up the back, we'll see that the lock bar's all the way across, and in that position our handle's in and the spring loader safety latches drop down. When we open the fifth wheel up, we pull the handle out. We can then pull the kingpin tester out of the fifth wheel, and you'll have seen the jaw come open and the lock bar come out, and now you can see the kingpin. Then to couple back up, as the kingpin goes into the fifth wheel, the kingpin will push the jaw shut. That allows our lock bar to go across behind the kingpin. And the lock bar goes from one side of the casting and locks into the other side of the casting to give you a positive lock. For any further information, anything that you haven't seen here today, we do have a website. It's www.jostaustralia.com.au. So please feel free to have a look at the website. You'll find some more useful information on there as well.